What's up guys, and welcome to the video. The great people over at Topfit sent us over their beautiful foldable tray for the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y. Sorry, whenever I say Tesla Model Y, I always look back at my baby. So sexy. Anyway, I hands down believe that this will end up being probably one of my favorite accessories, especially on those road trips. Now, I don't know about you guys. When I'm at a supercharger and I'm not just trying to binge watch my own YouTube videos or chill on Netflix, there's times I need to get work done. Like I said, I'm a photographer and director, so there are times that I'm on the road and I need to get edits done. I need to edit photos and to edit videos, and it's cool, you know, I can put my laptop here and it's fine. But when this comes in to play, you know, now I have an actual table that I can put my laptop and my hard drives. So what I actually did, I went in, I made a custom profile. So you know how you have easy entry, you have your own profile that has all your settings for your steering wheel length and where your seat is. What I've done is, like, I've gone in and I made a work mode, and it pushes me back just a little bit, gets me snug to the desk perfectly for my personal needs. So you can go in and change that to how you want. And also, it's not just for working. You can also sit here and have a solid meal. So if you want to put your drink here, there's a place for that. There's a cutout for that. If you want to put pens and pencils, if you want to put your main course right here, you can do that. And that's amazing. I feel like that's super, super clutch. And it also isn't just for the driver's side. It also works on the passenger side as well. So if you're on a road trip and your passenger is eating lunch or dinner, or it's journaling or working, this has that capability as well. It just slides right over to the other side. So that leaves the opportunity that you can now have two of these when you're parked at a supercharger, and driver can have one, passenger can have one. The way that they made it is super, super smart. They made it so that it sits on the door handle and it sits halfway on the armrest. So now you have room for two. And that also makes it super, super sturdy, and it won't move or bend or anything like that. So I think that's a super, super cool feature, and it's such a simple product, but once you have it, the effectiveness is what counts, and that's where it comes into play. So to go ahead and wrap this up, I think this is a great buy. This is a great product, especially if you do road trips or if you work from your car or you're like a digital nomad. So I'm gonna have this linked in the description down below. You guys can go ahead and pick that up today. And if you guys enjoyed this content, make sure you guys bless that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.